Changing your primary email on Docker is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address effectively. Step 1. Log into Docker Hub. Visit the Docker Hub website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Navigate to Email Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. Now you have successfully changed your primary email on Docker. If you encounter any issues, refer to Docker support documentation for further assistance.